Welcome to Fepy, introducing the best DIY tool in the market. Yes, it's Makita Cordless Screwdriver Kit, DF001DW. Okay, let's go to the unboxing section. First, we have the catalog. You can get all information about this product. This is our cordless screwdriver. This product is fast and easy to use with one hand. Compact design with a rubberized grip handle. There are two switches in this tool. The forward or reverse switch allows for screwing and unscrewing with ease. The main feature of this kit was we can get all type of screw bits with this. 81 different types of screw bits included in this kit, such as star bits, minus bits, hex key bits, and other similar bits. The battery of this product was 3.6 volts lithium-ion with 1.5 Ah battery capacity. The charger of this tool was micro USB type, which is also included with this box. Okay, it's time for test the tool. Let's do some tests with this product. This product is available on Fepy at the lowest price in the UAE. You can purchase it through www.fepy.com. Download our application from Play Store or App Store. You can get the product for 198 dirhams. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tool reviews, and stay tuned for the next adventure in the workshop.